Today we're going to National Museum of Scotland. Come on guys, follow me, let's go explore. National Museum Scotland is one of the largest and most visited museums in the UK. It houses a vast collection of over 20,000 artifacts, including art, natural sciences, archaeology, technology, and the world cultures. Its mission is to preserve, interpret, and make accessible for all the past and present of Scotland, other nations, and the natural world. A floating train? Let's find out. We're going to make it go on these. Woo! Whoa! One more time. Run! Bye. Look, do you see that steam train? That steam train, if it's gonna go to York to Edinburgh, it should take 10 hours. Dolly the Sheep exhibition, which showcases the story of the world's first cloned mammal. Hot air balloon. Look at its tent. It's very hot. This is the spacesuit. Let me try it on. And look at that big rocket. Ta-da! It's me. Wings and wings. So I have to turn this to make it float. You see that? This is the rocket power. Hydrogen rocket. So I have to turn this thing. Whoop whoop. Powder steamer engine model. Generate. That you have to turn these with your hands, and you have to do it fast so the light will turn on. Ta-da! See that? Time to carry myself up. I'm too heavy. My hands hurt.
Touch the object to start. Explore our collection. Touch.
Look at all of these cards that are floating down on the screen. Look at all of these race cars. They look so cool. Look guys, that's a military plane over there. And this is another race car. But you need to pay £1 to play with it. Let's look around the system. Museum. Sperm whale. Look at its skeleton. The large teeth in lower jaw may be used for fighting rather than feeding. Sperm whales feed mostly on soft-bodied squid, which they swallow whole. There's lots of statues. giant deer, the first complete skeleton ever to be discovered. It was found on the Isle of Man in 1819. Natural world. Guys, do you see that? That's the Tyrannosaurus Rex skeleton. It's so big. It's scary. It's a camel. Camel. And polar bears. Ooh. This is the star constellations. Big, deep, and small deep. And look, these are the precious stones. Mineral giant. This specimen of smoky quartz show how big mineral specimens can grow. Ice Age meteorite. The large iron meteorite is part of a fall thought to have taken place over 800,000 years ago during Ice Age. Ooh. This is our constellation. How many planets are there? This is moving around the air. There's lots of birds. A wandering albatross. Biggest birds cannot fly, but they are great runners, like ostriches. I'm weighing myself to compare it to an animal. How heavy I am. Look, I'm compared to a boa. So I'm the weight of a boa. How interesting. There's elephant house. The lion. King of the jungle. And a giraffe with the longest neck. Flamingos. And Arctic materials are here.
Animal fur.
Beaver fur.
Fur. Walrus ivory. What's that?
Ooh, Mama, this is what they make for those clothes. Yeah, it's caribou fur.
Caribou fur.
Steel guts. This is steel guts.
Let's go.
Mama, they open it for the ice. I'm assembling a person. The Millennium Clock. It's big, but not bigger than Big Ben in London. Thank you, Auntie and Tita Cindy, for the tour. Let's go home to Uncle Tom's house. Pizza dinner! Yum, yum.
Ding, 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 ding.
Let's jam. Presenting Auntie Claire. Go, Cindy, go, go, go. Presenting Tita Cindy with me, the guitarist. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. Whoop. It's Mom. Presenting Uncle Tom. He is really good. And my dad beatboxing.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you, Uncle Tom, for welcoming us at your humble house.
Blackpink in the area.
Bye, everybody. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment your favorite part of this video. And thank you for watching.